And we're live. We're over here at the Enviroscape farm. There's our orchard growing above concrete, actually. Microgreens. The reason I'm making this video today is to pay particular attention to our koi pond. We have koi pond here. We've been cutting some wood. There's a little sawdust there, but a little floating island. And what here's our tower garden. We've modified. We put a drain in it. And check this out. We put a pump inside the pond. That's what that brown tube is. And it's pushing water up to the top. Little pond filter mat there to take out any of the solids. And then it's actually pushing water through. So I got some tomatoes planted. I'm going to be planting next day or two some microgreens in here. Very, very cool. So no synthetic fertilizer. It's all nature's fertilizer. Fish fertilizer, we'll call it. Okay, and here's the waterfall. And the reason I'm doing this video today is because we're super excited. We're actually taking out the old filter as we speak. And that's the OASE filter. That's the one you actually have to flush it out by hand. And we're actually installing this state-of-the-art self-flushing, self-cleaning filter. Here's the brains of the operation, little transformer, and then here it is. It's called the ProfiClear Premium Compact. So I have a lot of koi. Here's the UV filter. That's the side of the waste. An extra filter pump over here. But the UV filter, it's really cool. It's compact. It's easy to change a bulb, so in case it goes out. And it's made by OASE. And here's the return to the pond. Okay, so we're gonna, and at the very bottom, dirt outlet. Okay, so this right here, it comes, I'll show you, it hasn't been put in yet, but it's got sensors in it, and so when it gets thick enough, that actually tells the system to go ahead and clean out, flush out automatically. And I'm gonna tie this into my phone. It'll even tell me what the water temperature is. It's really great stuff. So we took out the old filter there, and we're going to put in the new filter. We're just going to do a little bit of replumbing on this. But while we have this filter out, the fish still need oxygen, oxygenated water. So we have a bypass to the whole system that's still keeping the water oxygenated, because it might take us a few hours to do this plumbing work. So just wanted to show you that this is what it's like. Putting in the new OASE system. It's actually a smaller footprint than the old system too. And so a little bit more. There's a compost pile over there. This is actually an aquaponics system. I put a little tiny OASE filter. I'm going to start it up again this year. The little FiltoClear 800, just to keep out the solids, and it's got a little UV in it. And I'm going to be growing 80 heads of lettuce in this vertical aquaponic system. Over there is just getting started. This is April, so I just replanted the raised veggie planter and some ashwagandha, the Vedic, the African, banana trees, my legal little plants there, medicinal plants, and then here's some bananas that are ready to, almost ready to get harvested. This used to be a chicken coop too. Just had to show you, it's a little farm back here, show you how, hopefully I'm inspiring you of what is possible, what you can do. Here's the pump for this system, the Aquamax Eco Expert. So anyway, just really cool stuff that you can do in your yard. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, koi ponds, waterfalls, all that really cool stuff, think Enviroscape LA. Take care.